Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of Cinema 4D creating a simple coffee mug. If you are new to Cinema 4D, you are at the right place because I just started doing Cinema 4D a month or two ago, and I'm following actually a tutorial which is created by Cineversity YouTube channel. You can visit. I will leave in the description the link to the original video of creating this mug. And I repeat, this is not my tutorial, it's my interpretation of that original tutorial of Cineversity. And let's begin. First you need to insert an object, a cylinder object. Click on the cylinder, and as the object appears you change its dimensions, its radius to 4 centimeters, its height to 10 centimeters, and change the rotation segments to 18. And as you can see, the mug is pretty much smaller now, but you can zoom in with the scroll or just press the O button on the keyboard like Orion, and it will zoom in itself to the normal size, so you can see the object as it should be. Next thing, you will need to change the view to display to quick shading and lines, so you can see the lines. You need to make the cylinder object editable by clicking on this Make Editable button. When you click the Make Editable, select this Live Selection and select the polygons on the left side, this icon, and move the camera so you can see this upper part, and drag the mouse holding the left mouse button to select all these polygons, and press I on the keyboard and for the inner extrude, and drag the mouse by holding the left mouse button, for example, a little bit, as much you want to be the cup to be thick, and you can set your own specific value on this offset. If you type in 0.5 for example. Next you want to press D on the keyboard for the extrude, and do the same thing. Click the left mouse button and drag the mouse left or right, and you will see that you are moving this inner part of the mug. And you will rotate a little bit the camera so you can see did you overdid it. If you overdid it, pull it back on the green axis, and as you can see you have the base for the mug. Next thing you need to do is click on this Live Selection and click anywhere beside to deselect anything. Change the view by this little icon here, and this is the perspective view, and switch to the right view. Click this icon to maximize it. Press O again like Orion on the keyboard to zoom it in. Now select the edges right here and right click somewhere on the empty space and select Loop Path Cut tool. And now you decide where the handle will be attached to the mug. So in my case, for example, around here the upper part, and around here the lower part. When you click these 4 points, return to the perspective view, and now look for this blue axis, the Z axis, and because we are going to select these 2 polygons here and pull them out, select the polygon tool and the Live Selection. These 2 select, you see they are selected. Click this one on the blue axis, hold shift on the keyboard, select the second one, and now you will press D for extrude and click right on this polygon and pull them out as right about like this. Switch the view if you think you need so, and click again on exactly on the polygon and pull it out again one more time. And this is the base for the handle. Now switch to the, it stays selected, the live selection, and select the edges. Select these two edges by holding shift, and you should move them in this blue Z direction, inward a little bit, and select another two edges. If you select accidentally another edge, just click somewhere else and select these two edges again, and press T like transform on the keyboard, and on this Y green axis pull them a little bit closer. And now you select the polygon selection tool, and you can see that they are already selected, these two polygons. And make sure to right click on the blank, somewhere on the blank space, and select bridge, because you are gonna bridge these two polygons. And click one, hold the left mouse button, and make sure that you select the same points on the both sides of these polygons, not the contra side. You select this, and it will be connected right. If you make a mistake, Ctrl Z is the solution, or edit step back to undo your changes. So this is the base cup, and this is optional, you don't have to do it, but you select the live selection tool, the polygon tool, and select these lower polygons. Press I for inner extrude, pull it a little bit inward, and press D for extrude and push it a little bit up. This is like an indent, usually have any mug can have it. So there's your mug. You need to do it to make a little bit softer, to create this subdivision surface by clicking the subdivision surface and pull the cylinder underneath it, and you will look like much more smoother. Click somewhere on the blank, select the cylinder, and if you click on the render button, render view or Ctrl R on the keyboard, you will see a pre-rendered version, basic pre-rendered version of this mug. If you want some basic around materials, double click on this lower area. You will create a material, select any color that you like, and drag and drop it on the mug, and it will paint it into that color. If you press Ctrl R on the keyboard, you will have a mug which is the color that you selected. So these are the very basics of Cinema 4D creating a mug. I repeat again, I give full credits to Cineversity. I will leave the link to his channel and this video in my description below. Make sure to visit his channel. I learned a lot about Cinema 4D by following his videos. And I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment below. Do you want to see more tutorials about cinema from my channel? Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.